Hello, children. Welcome back again to our science lesson. So last week we did an experiment called oobleck, right? We made oobleck using tapioca starch or cornstarch with water. Now today we're going to do another experiment, and here are the things that we need. So we need an egg, preferably a fresh egg, okay? And then we need a container, a see-through container. We need water as well, right? We also need salt, and we need a spoon. So first of all, we're going to pour water into this container. All right, now let's first put in our egg, right? Let's put in our egg. Let's make sure that our egg doesn't fall. Okay, a little bit. Right, look at the egg. The egg is sinking to the bottom of the container or the cup, right? If your egg floats, it means it's not fresh, right? But this egg is fresh, so we are going to make this egg float, right? So now I'm going to put in salt into the water and stir. Okay, so I would like you all to stir your water, stir it, and see. Is the egg floating yet? Not really. Let's continue to put more salt and stir. Okay. Let's put more salt. Now, when you put more salt, something is gonna happen. Looks like the egg is floating, right? But not yet. Okay, let's just pour everything in and keep stirring. So it takes time because the salt needs to dissolve into the water, right? Okay, we're slowly getting there. Just keep stirring. If you put lots and lots of salt, just keep stirring because the salt needs to dissolve in the water and it takes time. It needs you to stir, right? So it looks like the egg is floating, but actually it's just following the flow of the water. And that's not what we're looking for. We are looking for the egg to float. Okay, since it's not floating yet, we're going to add more salt, right? So I'm going to pour a bit more salt. Okay. Let's see. Ooh, looks like it's going to float. So this is the thing about experiments. Sometimes it feels like, sometimes you may not get the result you think that would happen, but you just need patience and you need to do it a couple of times, okay?
Later.
Right? Just stir and stir and stir. So you put your egg in. Do you think it'll float? Let's see. Wow! See, your egg is floating now. Can you see it now? See? It's floating. It's not sinking to the bottom. And you know why? This is because we have changed the density of the water, okay? So what happened was just now, the egg was more dense than the water. So the egg was more sort of like heavier. It was heavier, so it sank to the bottom of the container. But now we have changed the density of the water by adding salt. And that means that the water is now more dense than the egg. Therefore, it makes the egg float, right? So that is our lesson for today. Okay, I would like to see you trying this at home. All right, remember that experiments sometimes don't work out, but it's okay. You can try, right? Try and see if your egg is fresh or not. Okay, all right. Bye bye, everyone.